This is the new remote quick lock filler cap and fuel filler hose kit from Nuke Performance. Nuke Performance have offered fuel cells and fuel cell drop-in solutions for many years now, but filling them with fuel can in some cases be a hassle. But look no further, because Nuke Performance got you covered with the ultimate solution, the remote quick lock fuel filler cap and fuel filler hose kit. The filler cap has a true spring-loaded lock mechanism. That means it has great functionality for those who want a hassle-free experience, but one more thing, it has a click that really lets you know that the filler cap is closed. It takes a simple 9-degree turn to both open and to lock. What more could you want from a fuel filler cap? The quick lock mechanism is a 50mm or 2-inch barb connection and is safe for all types of fuel, including alcoholic fuels like E85. This is a versatile and durable solution for your fuel filling needs and is a perfect fit for fuel cells equipped with the Nuke Performance CFC Unit. To accommodate the filler cap, the team has developed an extremely lightweight and flexible fuel filler hose designed to make your fuel filling process even easier. The kit includes bushings and adapter for a perfect seal, hose clamp, and handy accessories to let you cut the hose to the perfect length for your build. Not only is the anti-static fuel filler hose a work of art, but it's also the perfect combination with the fuel filler cap. When it comes to the Nuke Performance fuel filler hose kit, we can't stress enough how lightweight it truly is. Weighing in at just above 200 grams, it's an impressive 80% weight savings compared to hoses commonly used in motorsports applications. It's not just lightweight, it's also extremely flexible, making it easy to route into tight bends without the need for extreme angled connectors. This hose is also safe for all types of fuel, including alcoholic fuels, and is made of an anti-static nylon, making it the perfect choice for fuel filling applications. When it comes to our remote quick lock filler cap and fuel filler hose kit, there's no shortage of accessories available to make the installation and use even easier. Take, for example, this weld-on steel bracket that lets you install the filler cap in an easy-to-reach location. And it even comes with these handy little fuel-type stickers. The fuel hose connects with the CFC unit with this remote filler neck, which lets you get rid of the filler cap and go with a remote solution instead. And for those looking for an all-in-one solution, we offer a complete remote fuel filler kit that includes everything you need for your installation. And yes, this is truly an addictive click, and really should even come as a keychain. For more information on the remote quick lock fuel filler cap or the fuel filler hose kit or even the CFC unit, visit nukeperformance.com.